Hey guys, JD from the DeFi Insider here. In today's video I'm super excited to share with you an extremely lucrative and time-sensitive new DeFi project that will allow you to earn up to 16% interest per day simply by staking your BNB into this protocol. This project is called MultiStake, and it was literally released 4 days ago. So if you are watching this tutorial, you have an unfair advantage over the public to strongly position yourself in this protocol before it hits mainstream. Before I dive into the details of this platform, and the exact strategy I recommend to maximize your earnings and lower your risk as much as possible, I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers who are enjoying and supporting this passive income channel. As you know, the DeFi Insider channel is 100% fully dedicated to educate the public and my subscribers about the newest DeFi and crypto passive income opportunities, as early as possible, and in the most transparent and detailed way. If you're interested in crypto passive income strategies and ideas as well, please like this video, and smash that subscribe button below. Also don't forget to tick the bell icon, so you will never miss another fresh DeFi passive income opportunity ever again. Like always, this is not financial advice. This video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Brilliant, let's dive into the detailed walkthrough and strategy. So what is MultiStake exactly? Well, the MultiStake multi-chain is a smart contract that provides an equal opportunity to all to invest any amount in BNB into the contract and get a 112% to 210% return on investment between 7 to 30 days if the contract balance has enough funds for payment. As you can see, only since launch, the contract pool has been growing rapidly and looks extremely healthy at this point. So again, a fantastic timing to join the party and earn rewards for it. I've included for you the only official link to MultiStake multi-chain dapp in the description section of this video, so you can go ahead and check it out. This smart contract has been fully audited by Crypto Haze Security. The rigid security audit confirms we do not need to be concerned about any backdoors or scam scripts, as the MultiStake smart contract has found no security vulnerabilities. You can also view yourself the actual contract on Binance Smart Chain, and see that it is validated and matches the independent audit report. Keep in mind that as the system used is called ROI, it must be considered as high risk. This is because users' principal deposits cannot be withdrawn. In return, users get of course the dividends as profit, according to the amount of their principal deposit. Awesome. So how can we actually get in and start earning our dividends? You may be surprised, but it's actually very simple. The platform essentially offers us 3 investment plans we can pick from. For all 3 plans, the minimum deposit is as low as 0.01 BNB. Once you invest in a plan, you can start withdrawing, or reinvesting your dividends once a day. You will also receive 5% deposit amount bonus on reinvesting. This is to incentivize investors to keep reinvesting and grow their profits exponentially. Fantastic. Now that we have covered the basics, let's quickly discuss the strategy and what plans you should go for to make the most out of this protocol. As you can see, the first plan offers 16% daily return on investment for a period of 7 days. Now, this might be looking as the most attractive plan at first, but let's examine the total return on investment that is offered for the first plan, which is overall 112% return on investment. So what does this mean? Well, you may be receiving a higher amount daily, but in total, after the duration of 7 days, you will only make 12% profit on your deposit. I say only, but obviously this is also a fantastic return on investment for just 7 days of doing nothing. But now that we understand this, we can also understand that the next 2 plans are significantly more attractive, as in total, after the duration of each plan, we will receive a total of 80% or 110% earned profit. Keep in mind that the longer the duration of each plan, the more riskier it is. But as I learned how solid this project is, and the quick adoption that grows the contract pool in a healthy pace, I'm personally comfortable with going with the 20 and 30 days plans. What I advise is to split your investment, by staking 70% of your budget into the 20 days plan, and the remaining 30% into the 30 days plan. That's how you can enjoy the total ROI percentage of the most attractive plans, while distributing the risk, and reducing it by putting most of your investment in the middle option. If you are new to crypto and DeFi, and not sure how exactly to buy BNB and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet, then make sure to watch my full step-by-step video tutorial on how to easily do this. The only official link to the MultiStake multi-chain app is provided in the description of this video. Make sure you use it to avoid any scams or fake sites. That's really it. Again, I'm super excited about this protocol, and looking forward to share with you project progress updates. Hopefully you find these insights useful. If you like this content, go ahead and like this video. Also hit the subscribe button and tick the bell icon, to never miss any well-timed crypto opportunity looking forward. Thanks for watching.